Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all you happy and well. So enjoy the video. Today I am going to share some beautiful and easy garden decoration ideas that will make your garden look very peaceful, colorful and full of life. You don't need to spend a lot of money. Just a little creativity, love and some simple items can turn your garden into a magical place. Let's get started. Flower pot with personality. It's time for a plain pots. Paint them with bright colors or fun patterns. You can even small cards or draw flowers and butterflies. Arrange them at different heights and all groups them together and it instantly make your garden cheerful. Friends, dye hanging planters. Use old cup bottles or to make hanging planters. Paint them and hang them with your chalk or colorful ribbon. Hang them on a wall, balcony or tree branches for a beautiful layer look. Garden lights and lantern. Add fairy lights, solar lamps or lantern around your garden. Place them pathway or inside glass jar for a glowing effect at night. The soft lights creative acclaim and romantic atmosphere. Rivers and garden pathway. Creative a simple path using stones or wooden. You can line it with small plants or fairy lights. It's give your garden a clean and organized look. Garden mural and frames. Pair a mirror to your garden wall. It reflect the plants and make the space look bigger, and you can decorate the frame with shells, tools or old wooden. For rustic fields, recycle garden crafts. Use older tires, cans, bottles and broken pots to make creative garden art. Turn a tire into a flowers or paint a bottles and use it as a hanging planters. Recycling add uniqueness and help the environment. Viewers and